Good evening everyone. I hope you all are keeping well and staying at home. Take care of yourself. Now, previously we had already discussed about student-centered curriculum and content-centered curriculum, and today our topic of discussion is teacher-centered curriculum. Now, while defining teacher-centered curriculum, there are three main points which we should remember. The first one is focus on the teacher. This means that the entire focus of the teaching learning process is on the teacher. Second point says the teacher talks while the students exclusively listen. Means here the primary source of knowledge and information is the teacher who gives lectures, and the students are there, seated there to exclusively listen to the teacher. Now coming to the last point of definition, that is direct instruction. Means in teacher-centered curriculum, the entire knowledge and the information given by the teacher is directly transmitted from the teacher to the students. That is, teacher is the primary source from where the knowledge is transmitted to the students. In this video, we discussed about the definition of teacher-centered curriculum, and in this video, we are going to talk about the characteristics of teacher-centered curriculum. Now, in this, the first point you can see is classroom arrangement in rows of desks. This means that the entire classroom is arranged in such a way that the desks are put in rows and with the teacher's table in front and the blackboard in front, right? The use of time is determined by the teacher. Means the entire time of the classroom, that is as usual the 40 minutes period or 45 minutes period, it is utilized mostly by the teacher. The teacher dominates the class by taking lectures. Then the third point is teachers' talk exceed students' talk. Means again we have already discussed in the definition that the teachers talk and the students listen. So here again we are stressing on the same point that the teachers talk exceeds the students talk. The students talk less and the teachers talk more because the entire curriculum is based on teacher center. So teacher is the center of the curriculum. Coming to the fourth point, instruction occurs with the whole class. Generally in teacher-centered curriculum, we try to address the whole class instead of individuals or small groups. It is not possible to have teacher-centered curriculum with the small groups or individual interaction. It is based with the whole class where the teacher addresses or instructs or teaches the whole class at a time. And the last feature is teachers rely heavily upon textbooks. So the primary source of material on which the teachers rely are textbooks. They depend on the textbook, they teach from the textbooks, and it doesn't involve any activity or students' involvement. It is basically the teachers teach from the books and try to transmit this knowledge to the students and the class. Okay, so that is what we have discussed in the characteristics of teacher-centered curriculum. Thank you.